Best nacho there is. Look at this. You need ground bison, some steak, cilantro, chips, some spices right here, some cheese, garlic, taco cheese. Best thing you can have. Some peppers and bacon. First, cut cilantro. Ground beef, bison, goes in a bowl. Adding some sweet paprika. Don't be shy. Some oregano, then pick the frame. Protein spices. A little bit of that. Oh, garlic powder. Again, didn't fit the frame. Some adobo. You can't go without adobo. Black pepper. Some salt, Himalayan salt. Garlic. I'm too lazy to chop fresh one. This one is in olive oil. Works for me. Mix that together. Basil infused olive oil. That gives some nice flavor. Cilantro chopped up goes in there next. Beef Polish sausage, cut it up in chunks, throw it in there as well. And black truffle oil. Good stuff. Some bagel seasoning makes it kick. Mix that together. Now prepare some red pepper and some new pepper. Throw it in there. Fry it up together. Nachos. Put them on a plate. Some layer 1. Cheese. Don't be shy. The more you put, the better it tastes. Don't forget Mexican cheese. 3 cheeses on top of that. Finish frying. Add it to the first layer. Oh yeah, my dog, he wants some chips. Well, put 2 layers together, throw more cheese, throw it 350 for 15 minutes in the oven, and enjoy afterwards. Look at that cheese. It was delicious. And some guacamole and sour cream.